some oil. This is ground pork. Salt. White peppers. You can use black too. Smells so good. Onions, ginger, and garlic. The ginger smells so good. Mushrooms and peppers. Yellow, you can use red or green. And this is water chestnuts. Mix shrimp and pork together. I'm gonna add a little bit oyster sauce. This is eye tasting. Sesame oil. Hoisin sauce. And a bit of rice cooking wire. Mix it up. Now we add some scallion in. Ooh la la, yummy. Beautiful, smells so good. Okay, let's get ready to eat.
It's in your room.
Ta-da! Beautiful pork, shrimp, lettuce wraps. So yummy. Người bóc cái à?
Ba vô bắp. Rớt ra đường.